Okay, gang, let's go ahead and get started. Kind of an exciting Monday today, right? This is the WIRA daily market update. So, we're back on YouTube, so let's stay here for a little while. That's where you can find us. We'll post the show after it's been recorded on the Investing Lovers website. Investing Lovers website we'll use for information passing, okay? Sharing articles and stuff like that. So, let me sit up straight like they used to tell me in the 6th grade. So look, it was an interesting morning, huh? Big rally to start off, but it kind of just gave it all back up, right? The S&P 500 could not get that close over 2,800, and that's what we've been kind of warning you. Right now, we're not really opening up new trades and stuff. We're writing some trades, and they're doing very well. You guys know we're in GE and stuff, so we're really hitting it on that. GE was up, 16-17% at the open. I think it finished up about 6%. Really an interesting day all around. The only thing we did today is in our live room, we played a little swing trade on NVIDIA, but other than that, we're stepping back and we're letting things do what they do. So we're still long oil. And actually, even with oil being down 3% today on some Trump comments, OIH, which is the play that we're in, was up about almost 1%, 14 cents, almost about 0.81%. So we got some good action out of that. That was beautiful. Let me see here. I'm trying to now look, guys. You got hey Jeff, you're here. See, I told you, Jeff. It's you just got to get used to it, brother. So now you help bring everybody over from Facebook and stuff. All right, brother. Post something, Jeff. So let me see if it comes through there. Okay. Post something, Jeff, so I can see if it comes through real time. But let's get back to the market because it was kind of an interesting close there. The market spent most of the day over 2,800. It looked like it might even move to 2,900. Who knows? But then by the end of the day, the VIX had popped up about 10%. It's up about 1485 right now. Keep an eye on the VIX. It went right back into that trickle down, but then it kind of got a little momentum this morning. Huh? So, like I said, hey, Jeff, post something. Let me see here. Well, I can report you and everything, Jeff. So, hey, Jeff. I mess around. All right. Oh, it does work, huh? So yeah, I mean, the market, like I said, that big number is that 2,800. I know I keep gravitating back towards that, but it's just, those are the signs you want to watch right now. You want to watch that 2,800 level on the S&P 500, maybe step back, find some good trades and stuff if we get a little continuation. We've got some things coming up this week that might affect the market one way or the other. We've got Jerome Powell, the Fed chairman, will be speaking on Capitol Hill this week. Let's see what he has to say. Former Fed Chief Yellen, of course, Orange Man bad, Orange Man stupid today. The same old rhetoric from that side. The market started out this morning. CNBC had that big interview with Warren Buffett. If you watched it, they were so giddy and stuff with themselves. They never really asked him anything important. So we didn't get much more information out of Warren Buffett than we have so far. In the news flow, the Trump administration has made it very, very obvious that they're going after Chinese tech. Huawei, they put out they asked, U.S. officials were asking for calling for a ban on all Huawei solar equipment today. So it's on. But it looks like they're making some good progress on the trade front. And we'll see how this all works out. Of course, last night was the Oscars. The liberal fest started, and of course it was very tame from what I hear. I don't ever watch these shows. They just don't interest me, but you might be one of those people that watch it, and it was kind of interesting. It was very, except for a couple little moments, not too political. I guess people weren't happy with whoever won the best picture or something. I don't know. It was racism. That's what it was. It's always racism now. Anything we don't like, you're a racist. So look, let's kind of call it an afternoon. Really, right now, the big fight is at 2,800. You want to keep an eye on the VIX, and you want to keep an eye on the S&P 500. The tech index is kind of just doing what it does. It's slowly trickling up. The Dow is nice and secure over that 26,000, but that S&P 500 really needs a mark and a move above that 2,800 for this rally to realistically be in any kind of position to even challenge the all-time highs. So other than that, we just kind of look at the news real quick just to see. Like we said, we're still long in Twitter. Twitter had a decent day today. It had a better morning than an afternoon, like many stocks. But it ended up about 1%, closed just below that $32 range. Like I said, OIH had a great day today. We opened that about a week ago. We're also in CLDR, CLDR. We've been talking about that. We like that for a longer term play. We bought some leaps on that, and we're actually happy with the progress of the stock. Besides that last hour today, the stock did really, really well, but it seemed like there was kind of blanket selling today. It was interesting. We were still long retail. Retail had a decent day today, a little more than 0.25% up. But that we like the way that chart is forming, and we think that it's starting to bubble a little bit. And maybe with a little good news, we'll get some kind of a move on that. We'll see. Other than that, we're in that GE play. GE is looking spectacular right now. Most of our members are sitting on some nice $12 calls. And also, too, there's a lot of our members that we started buying that stock last week. So they're very happy right now. Look, if you're not getting those kind of results, you know where the link is. It's in the description. Feel free to click it, see what we're about and see if we're right for you. Other than that, let's enjoy the Monday afternoon. It was an interesting market day. It was a lot of work today, with the up and downs and all that. So let me see the live chat here. Yeah. So other than that, we'll be back tomorrow after the market. Okay. So again, keep an eye on that 2,800 level. I mean, we could go into this intricate explanation of all the market and stuff, but you know us at WIRA. We love to keep things simple. And the simple thing right now is 2,800 is the battle, and the VIX is probably your best indicator right now. All right, gang. So let's call it an afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll be back after the market tomorrow. Jeff, thank you for being here, brother. Let's go round up everybody, the old gang from the I Love Investing page, and let's get rocking over here on YouTube, okay? All right, gang. Have a great afternoon.